Hey everyone, the Expert Drive here. The future of driving isn't just coming, it's here. Today, we're counting down the top 10 cars of 2025 to 2026 that'll make you rethink everything you know about speed, tech, and style. From hybrid family haulers to supercars that'll bankrupt your adrenaline glands, let's dive into the machines rewriting the automotive rulebook. Kicking off at number 10, the 2025 Kia Carnival Hybrid. Forget minivan, this is a rolling tech palace. That shimmering pearl white isn't just paint, it's a flex. Under the hood, a 1.6-liter turbo hybrid pumping out 245 horsepower, paired with a cabin so quiet you'll hear your kids' eye rolls. Star Horizon LED taillights, a 360-degree camera, and an electrochromic roof that tints on command? School runs just became spy missions. Oh, and with 42 miles per gallon, you'll save cash for the important stuff, like road trip snacks. At number 9, the 2026 Lexus UX Hybrid, where luxury meets eco-warrior energy. That glossy white coat, scratch-resistant and glow-in-the-city magic. Underneath, a 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain delivers 45 miles per gallon while slicing corners like a samurai. Inside, it's a tech sanctuary. Augmented reality navigation, ambient lighting that syncs with your mood, and seats so supportive, they'll outlast your gym membership. For urbanites who refuse to choose between eco-friendly and extra, this is your soulmate. Number 8 is the 2025 Ford Puma, a compact SUV that's basically a Swiss Army knife on wheels. With adaptive cruise control, a 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and a hybrid engine that sips fuel like espresso, it's built for city survival. Don't let the sleek looks fool you. Its terrain management system laughs at potholes, and those flush door handles, aerodynamic and Instagram ready. Ford just proved practical doesn't mean boring. Revving into number 7, the 2026 Toyota GR86. This isn't a car, it's a mechanical middle finger to boring commutes. The 2.4-liter boxer engine screams to 7,500 RPM, delivering 235 horsepower to the rear wheels. Steering? So precise, it'll make you question your life choices. At $32,000, it's cheaper than therapy and way more fun. Just don't expect back seats. Toyota calls them decorative optimism. Number 6, the 2025 Tesla Model 2, Tesla's $30,000 EV revolution. With 300-plus miles of range and a 0-60 sprint in 4.9 seconds, it's faster than your Wi-Fi. That heat-reflective white paint cuts cabin temps by 20%. Genius. Inside, minimalist AF. No buttons, no clutter, just a steering wheel and a screen smarter than your valedictorian cousin. Oh, and it's hardware ready for full self-driving. The future's so bright you'll need sunglasses, which Tesla sells for $200. Hold your jaw. Number 5 is the 2025 Nissan GTR R38 Nismo. This hybrid monster packs a twin-turbo V6 plus electric motor combo spitting out 700-plus horsepower. 0 to 60, 2.4 seconds, faster than a SpaceX launch. Forged magnesium wheels, titanium exhaust, and brakes that could stop a tsunami. That iridescent blue? It's called Nismo Cerulean, a color so exclusive, it's patented. Nissan didn't build a car, they built a four-wheeled flex. At number 4, the 2026 Lexus RX, where opulence meets AI. That cream exterior? Hand-polished because peasants use robots. Under the hood, a plug-in hybrid V6 churns out 450 horsepower while coddling you in a cabin with massaging seats and scented air. With Level 3 self-driving, it'll handle traffic jams while you nap. And the 28-speaker Mark Levinson sound system? It's like hiring an orchestra. That fits in your garage. Number 3. The 2025 Porsche 911 GTS. Proof that God drives a Porsche. The 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-six now makes 500 horsepower, rocketing you to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Those headlights? They're laser-guided. The exhaust? Louder than your last breakup. And that red metallic finish? Porsche calls it Blitzrot, German for speed ticket. Perfection? This is better. Number 2, the runner-up is the 2025 Ford Excursion Black Edition, a 6-ton colossus with a heart of darkness. Its 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid delivers 600 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque, towing 13,500 pounds like it's a grocery bag. Infrared stealth paint, laser headlights, and a suspension that lifts for off-road mode. This isn't an SUV, it's Batman's weekend ride. Ford didn't build it for the suburbs, but we dare you to try. And our number 1, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross. Toyota just nuked the crossover rulebook. That neo-keen design, aerodynamic art. Underneath, choose a hydrogen fuel cell or hybrid powertrain. Yes, hydrogen, because gasoline is last decade. It's got a predictive AI that texts your mechanic before parts fail. The roof? Electrochromic. No more blinding sun glare. Rugged, efficient, and smarter than your phone. This isn't a car. It's the future on 4 wheels. So, which of these future beasts has you ready to sell a kidney? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you're hyped for 2025, subscribe for more automotive insanity, and hit the bell, because the next gen is just getting started. But hey, keep your eyes on the road. The future's speeding toward us.